fast bad. No, I don't know question them, they never did have to be so festive. Like all these questions and these questions, I know most of these questions are persons that aren't even subscribed to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys a question and answer video, so I am delivering. So why I never know say so fast bad. No, I don't know question them, they never did have to be so festive. Like all these questions and these questions, I know most of these questions are persons that aren't even subscribed to my channel, but I don't want to fast in my life anyway. No question them festive bad. So first question, because I have to write them down, you know guys, because these were questions that I received on my Instagram page, my Facebook Messenger, and also WhatsApp. So the first question, who is your cousin? Guys, I wouldn't say I have a favorite cousin. My family on both my mom's side and my dad's side is huge. So you know I'm going to have a lot of cousins, a lot of uncles, aunties, etc. So I wouldn't say I have a favorite. I have cousins that I'm closest to, for two. Why can't I get some of these stupid? This first question is just mischievous because I received this question on WhatsApp, so I know exactly who it came from, and this person know that they cannot get any of the stupids because them before. I'm not me with food, alright? So if you didn't hear it, I get. So question number 3. What's it like starting my channel? So since starting my channel, I've learned a lot. I must say that the persons that you think will support you, share your videos, and subscribe to your channel, they're not the person that are going to do that. So yeah, big shocker. The persons that will praise you, promote you, and push you are total strangers, are just associates of yours. So that is one realization since starting my channel. And because you know, when I look at my WhatsApp and I see that I have like 600 plus contacts, and you know my channel is still at 100 little bit, so where's all these persons? Yeah, but it's just one of those stuff in life, and I don't let it bother me, because if you're not really just not real, because you know these same person will prefer subscribe to a totally new or strange channel than to support you. That's still fine. You just have to learn that's just something in life, and just accept it and move on. Also, since starting my channel, I've bettered myself in some aspects, because I've always been scared of putting myself out there. Like, you know, I'm never one to go in front of a camera or even like in front of a crowd presentation wise. So since starting my channel, I've grown. Like if you guys remember my video from my first video with Aki and Saltfish, you guys can see my growth, right? I've grown. So number 4, how is the channel going? My channel is going okay, I think. It's growing slowly but surely, and I really have no problem with the slow growth. I would rather my channel grow slow with genuine people than to grow fast with persons that are not genuine. They are in it for something. They're just going to subscribe to me today, then unsubscribe tomorrow. I don't want that. And persons going to come on your channel and they're going to come with their negativity. Yeah, that's a must, and you can't do anything about that. But if somebody's going to only subscribe to my channel to be negative, I'd rather they don't subscribe at all, honestly. I don't mind if persons criticize my videos, but ensuring it's something that can actually, commenting that can actually help me or will help me. And also, so since starting my channel, it's going okay, slowly but surely. And this is one of the reasons why I don't do sub for sub, because I've gotten messages on my Instagram page in my DM asking me sub for sub, and I don't even respond to them, and my reason being is I'm not in for sub for sub. I don't want you to subscribe to my channel only because I'm subscribed to yours. No, so I don't do sub for sub. And question number 5. What is my advice to someone starting a channel or want to start one or a similar channel? So my advice to someone wanting to start a channel, I would say go for it. I've been wanting to do this channel for over 4 years now, but the reason being I was always scared of, as I said, putting myself out there, and also I'm not Mr. Tech savvy, so I was scared of the editing part of it. But you know, I did my research, I asked around, and you know, persons told me about editing apps and all of that. But one of the persons that motivated me the most was one of my university friends, Sonia Cole. Big up Sonia, I love you, honey. So she said, yeah, it was one night I saw her WhatsApp status, and I commented and said, oh, congrats to your friend that started their channel. I've been wanting to start mine for the longest time. And she said, go for it. Prior to download the app, prior to starting your channel, get, you know, comfortable around the app and learn how to use it. So I downloaded the app, and now I'm a pro at that app, and I can maneuver myself, and I'm happy for myself. Honestly, I'm proud of myself, and I'm happy the day that Sonia told me about this. Sonia, Sanja, love you, honey, love you, and big thanks to that. So I would say go for it. Don't let anybody you know, deter you from starting your channel. Only reason you should delay is if you're not really comfortable. But even, I'm not even going to say you're not comfortable. Even if you're not comfortable, still go for it. Over time, you're going to get better. As I said, my first I Can Saltfish video, I think it was a disaster. Meaning, a lot of the stuff that I videoed got, you know, cut. And the reason is because I wasn't still so sure or comfortable in using the app. So, you know, I accidentally deleted some clips, and I just couldn't bother to, you know, film back over and stuff. So that is good as well for me. So go ahead. And number 6, how has the COVID impacted you and also making a comeback? So COVID didn't really impact me as an individual per se, because I was always, you know, at home. I'm still unemployed, so it didn't impact me negatively. I would say it impacted me positively, because since COVID, you know, I've stayed home more and, you know, cook more, try new recipes, try new stuff, and also started my candle business and my scented candle business, and also started my Scotch Bonett Pepper Powder business. So these are all products that I'm expecting to start selling, especially the Scotch Bonnet Pepper Powder. I've already started with my candles, so I'm just waiting on, you know, shipment of new bottles to start my candles again, and also waiting on, you know, to packaging for the Scotch Bonnet Pepper Powder. So COVID for me, because you go out, you wear a mask, you sanitize, and when you can't wash your hands, and when you can wash your hands, you wash your hands. So it's okay. Am I going to have a child / children? Guys, it's only God who gives child, and if God see it fit to give me one, I'm sure that He will give me one when the time is right. Do I want a child right now? I would say I'm kind of iffy, because sometimes I think that I want a child, and then another time I would say, you know, no, me don't want any. So I'm still kind of iffy about it, but if it's a case where I'm supposed to find out that I'm pregnant, of course I will welcome my child, I would love my child. But as I said, it's only God who gives children, alright? So moving on to number 8. How am I liking the channel so far? I like my channel, honestly, because of the support that I've been getting from my subscribers, and also, you know, as I said, it has made me better in terms of I'm not really that camera shy again. I'm not afraid of, you know, being out there again. I'm now a little bit more versed in, you know, editing my videos and stuff. So yeah, it is going well so far. I look forward to even greater stuff. But I'm still editing from my phone. I would like you know, like a software that is just as friendly on my PC as my phone. How are the benefits? The benefits is great. As I said, you have it's good to know that you have a support system. Understand? And I get that support, some of that support from my subscribers. And it is good to just know that you start something and you know, you tell yourself that you're going to do it, just stuck to it, and I'm doing it. So it's okay so far. Is it something that I see myself doing in the long term? Yes, it's definitely something I see myself doing in the long term. So, you know, I'm putting my all in this. Is the deceased guy on your WhatsApp status your boyfriend? No, people, no. He's not my boyfriend, he's my friend and a very wonderful person. I mean, I think that his life was cut so short, and like this, that, you know, did nothing to anyone that we know of. He's always smiling, no matter how much cuss him, no matter how people cuss him, he's always smiling, you understand? He's just a very jovial person, and he gave me the privilege of bringing new video to you guys 3 times per week, because I live up in the rural part of Old Harbor, so you know, I live up in the country part, and Digital or Flow don't look like they're coming beside soon, and he's the one that I've been getting internet service from since 2013 or earlier. So yeah, him give me the privilege that I can stay at home, make my videos, upload it on YouTube, or I can stay at home and just decide that I'm just going to chill and watch a little Netflix. So he's my friend. I love him so much. I miss him so much. If tears and wishes could bring back Ricky, I know that he would have been here with us again long time. So he's my friend. What motivates you? So what motivates me is, one, my family. As I said, I'm from a very close family. They're my source of support, and also to see me starting a channel and to see persons subscribing to me, persons that I don't even know, and see, you know, they're pushing me and giving me positive feedback and stuff. That motivates me to go along, and it's also just the type of person that I am. I find something that I like and I say that I'm going to do it, I'm going to push through it. So that's what motivates me. Are you single, married, divorced, engaged? No guys, I'm not married. No guys, I am not single. I am, however, engaged to be married very soon. So you guys stay tuned for that video, alright? Next question. When will you show how you make your candles? Well, I promised you guys a video on that. I never know, so I'm still in a watch that video there, and I remember saying this so. So that video is still on my mind to do, to show you guys how I do my candles. I'm still going to show you guys that in a later video, alright? Are you still doing candles? Yes, I'm still doing candles, but because I can't get the containers that I want, I've started to put the candle selling or making on hold for a while, just temporarily. Why I still can't get my scotch bonnet pepper powder? Jeez. So guys, again, it's a problem with packaging. Alright, so as soon as the scotch bonnet pepper powder is up and available, you guys will definitely be the first to know. Can I have you? And if not, do you have any sisters that looks like you? No, you cannot have me. I am already taken, as I mentioned before, and you know you're out of luck. I don't have any sisters or brothers because I'm an only child. Sorry. Ooh, it's nice. Do you work otherwise or have a business? No guys, I don't work. I am currently searching for a job, but you know the Jamaica stay, right? You know the Jamaica's economy and stuff. But I'm still searching. I would think that my little pepper powder business and my candle business, that is really my business right now, that I would say I'm going, but as I said, packaging has put it on hold for a while. What is your best feature? I would say my best feature is my teeth and my smile. I've been told that I have very nice teeth and also that my smile is very beautiful, and I would have to say that yes, I agree. Yeah, fun fact, that is true. Do you have any hidden talent? Yeah, I don't think I'm that creative, but I'll try. I'll try anything at least once. So if I try something and I like it, I will try it again, and I will push myself to get, perfect at it. But yeah, not that I'm aware of. Lord, really? Why did I get so fat? No, how did I get so fat? Blame it on food and good life. That's how we get so fat. Blame it on food and good life. That's all I can say. Woo! What is your birth sign? Birth sign, I am a Libra. Yeah, my birthday is October 21st. So yeah, I'm a Libra. So guys, I have some more questions, but I think that this video would be too long. So guys, I'm going to do a part 2. If you want a part 2, comment below and say part 2. I'm going to, if you guys say you want a part 2, I'm going to give you a part 2. But for the meantime, this is where it ends, guys. And thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for all your questions. I really appreciate them. And you never know, there's something fast though. But until next time, lovies, walk good.